Page 36, Lively 5. In this unit, we're covering waltzes, which is a 3/4 time, or a feel of 3. Doesn't have to be 3/4 time, but a feel of 3. And then 5/4 time, where you got 5 beats in a measure. Okay, I used to struggle with 5/4 time until a teacher once told me, well, you got 5 fingers on the hand, think of each finger. Each note is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when I got that into my head, I didn't have any trouble with it anymore. However, there are other ways of looking at 5/4 time, and I'll talk about those here. I look it over, it's about 4 lines long. Treble bass clef, 1 flat in the key signature. This is in the key of F major. So do the scales and arpeggios for F major and D minor. And 5/4 time, that's what the lesson is about. Right hand first. Just don't let the time signature, just a quarter note gets a count. Okay, you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2. You get that? Now, on measure 8, they switched it to a 3/4. They stuck a 3/4 in there all of a sudden. Just keep the quarter note the same, the beat the same. So measure 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Get the idea? That's all it is. Left hand is 1. You can go ahead and use second finger on the G every time. You don't have to use thumb, whatever. But then we get to measure, 6, you're here. Third finger, 3, 1, 2. Try and connect these if you can. Now going from measure 10 to 11, if you can do that, that's fine. If not, then use 3 and come over. Whichever. I don't know how big your hands are. So measure 10 is that. And you can use 3 if you need to, and then come over, and then you're back. Then we put the hands together. Now, on this 5/4 thing, 5/4 is normally, doesn't have to be, normally it felt in 3 and 2, or 2 and 3. Because when you add those together, you get 5. You can feel it in 2 and 3. It's the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, that's 3 and 2. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it changes the natural accents. Here, it sounds like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's here. Playing around with the natural accents is what we're doing. That's changing it around. Sticking that 3/4 measure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It changes. It is a way of adding syncopation. That's all. I'm going a little fast. You take it slow and careful. Just make sure each quarter note gets a count. I get rid of the hesitation, then I add the articulation. Short. Third measure. Measure 8. You get the idea? Add in the articulation. At the end, you get accents, play them a little louder. Then the dynamics. Moderately loud, whatever you think. When this comes in, that's moderately loud. The left hand needs to get in the background. And you don't get another dynamic until, what, measure 11, when you're soft. Up here, moderately loud, and the right hand. And these chords, let's look at these. Measure 14. You have a C, E, F, A, just spell out the chord. And then the same note names, but now we have an E flat and A flat. So I went from here to here. The next measure, it's a B natural, D, F, A. And then we have a B flat, C, E natural. You don't need the natural sign, it's a natural anyway. G. And from here to here. And then an A, C, D, F. Both. They just added in the dissonances for it. So it's here, 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 here. So work out those at your speed or whatever, and then you can do it. Well, whichever. Kind of tricky. And then finally I add the speed, and it says lively, but it needs to be accurate. So don't get too lively. Yeah, I thought that was about close. If it doesn't work for you at that speed, slow it down. You can come back to it later and later, play through this book for the fun of it, and you'll play them faster and better at that time.